the first part of Christmas, my true love gave to me a fighting crane in China. For the second part of Christmas, my true love gave to me two blue macaws and a fighting crane in China. For the third part of Christmas, my true love gave to me three tall storks, two blue macaws, and a fighting crane in China. For the fourth part of Christmas, my true love gave to me four flying eaglets, three tall storks, two blue macaws, and a fighting crane in China. For the fifth part of Christmas, my true love gave to me five golden geese, four flying eaglets, three tall storks, two blue macaws, and a fighting crane in China. For the sixth part of Christmas, my true love gave to me six singing toucans, five golden geese, four flying eaglets, three tall storks, two blue macaws, and a fighting crane in China. For the seventh part of Christmas, my true love gave to me seven dancing pink ones, six singing toucans, five golden geese, four flying eaglets, three tall storks, two blue macaws, and a fighting crane in China. For the eighth part of Christmas, my true love gave to me eight serving chickens, seven dancing pink ones, six singing toucans, five golden geese, four flying eaglets, three tall storks, two blue macaws, and a fighting crane in China. For the ninth part of Christmas, my true love gave to me nine yellow canaries, eight serving chickens, seven dancing pink ones, six singing toucans, five golden geese, four flying eaglets, three tall storks, two blue macaws, and a fighting crane in China. For the 10th part of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 rapping cardinals, 9 yellow canaries, 8 serving chickens, 7 dancing penguins, 6 singing toucans, 5 golden geese, 4 flying eaglets, 3 tall storks, 2 blue macaws, and a fighting crane in China. For the 11th part of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 royal hornbills, 10 rapping cardinals, 9 yellow canaries, 8 serving chickens, 7 dancing penguins, 6 singing toucans, 5 golden geese, 4 flying eaglets, 3 tall storks, 2 blue macaws, and a fighting crane in China. For the 12th part of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 soaring owls, 11 royal hornbills, 10 rapping cardinals, 9 yellow canaries, 8 serving chickens, 7 dancing penguins, 6 singing toucans, 5 golden geese, 4 flying eaglets, 3 tall storks, 2 blue macaws, and a